Hi, everybody. I wanted to give you an opportunity to hear my voice because I care about you, and I wanted to let you uh, just feel like something normal is going on. Um, right here, I've got a little section called My Little Flower Pot and College Board's Plan. You knew I was doodling, and now I'm doodling even more. I'm not going to read this section to you right now, but I want to point out your options to your assignment. But that being said, College Board, they are not going to have a multiple choice section on the exam. So we're not going to do any more multiple choice practice. Throw your packet in the trash. Supposedly on April 3rd, they're going to say exactly what essay type they're going to administer. I think it'll be a Q2. Um, People often come back and practice poetry in the spring, and I would have done that with you too, but we've kind of lost our venue. So I don't think it'll be a Q3. They would be worried about people cheating. And I have some ideas that they're going to actually have someone write something that has never been published before, and you won't be able to see it anywhere online. And that's their way to prevent cheating. So that being said, start thinking in your mind about where do you have access to a laptop? And your laptop is actually going to have the locked secured browser that they need you to use. So you're not going to be able to do the test on your phone. So start thinking ahead. Where could you get a laptop? This is for The Handmaid's Tale. I'm clicking through all of your check-ins this week, and I can see that most of you are around 150 to 200. Handful of kids have finished the book. Handful of you are in early stages because it's just been kind of hectic. So I've given you two options. One of them is called making a Padlet. So you can go on to Padlet. Padlet's really fun and easy to use. Right down here, there's this little plus, and it just pops up a blank box. And in the blank box, you can type something, you can drag and drop something from the internet, you can add a text excerpt, you can add a discussion question. It's really user friendly. Once you populate the Padlet, then you actually have sort of a entire screen of stuff to which you can respond. So you can add your three things, and then ultimately you can respond to three things. I'll click on some Padlets in just a second. Down here, if you go Handmaid's Tale in Google and hit images, you'll get a lot of great images for the book. You'll get a lot of great images for fan art. And there's actually a graphic novel for the book as well. And a lot of the images from the graphic novel have been uploaded to the internet. If we click right now, you can see what a Padlet looks like. This is the class of 2019, and this was their Padlet. They actually did the whole thing. So you've got images, you've got you've got quotation marks, and then you've got discussion questions. The class of 2020, they only did images. So you can see that theirs is all populated with images, and they didn't go back and do the text. And then for you, you've got a blank slate. So there's yours. Empty. Here's the little box down here at the bottom where you just double click, add your stuff, and then you're ready to go. If you choose to do the Padlet option, I've created an assignment that goes with it. It's on Google Classroom. And after you've populated the Padlet, you can go back, give it some time, and you can find someone else's discussion question, copy and paste it, respond to it. You can find someone else's visual image, copy, or just what is it, and then why did you pick that image? Find someone else's text excerpt and respond to why you thought it was interesting. It's a good assignment, I think, if you want creativity in your world right now. There's a lot of really great fan art. There's a lot of really great images. So this is good if you don't mind a little screen time. If you aren't interested in Padlet, you can talk about writing style. Writing style would be a good option because it helps you sort of stay in the mindset of Q2, sort of like the prose openers. Here's the assignment I've made for writing style. It's just diddles in The Handmaid's Tale, asking you wherever you are in the book as you're reading it, find some diction that Atwood uses. What does it say? What does it mean? Find some imagery. What does it say? What does it mean? Detail, etc. And this kind of keeps your brain sharp around writing style, which is what I think you're going to be asked to do on the Q2, which I think is going to be your exam. If all else fails, you can follow March's plan. It's Nerf gun heavy, so good luck with that. Email me with any questions, and I'm going to send you an invitation to try to link up with me and your classmates on Google Hangouts this week. It's entirely optional. Just having a hello and how's it going and what's going on with your book, and that's it. I'm going to send you an invite via your Still Kingdom email, and the times are as follows. All right. I hope you're doing well. I miss you, and stay safe, stay indoors, and we'll see each other soon.